She brought me things. Bro. Can't dance. She brought me the duck and the reindeer again. I already threw those down. Adriana Rules, I love her. Yeah, her streams are great. And the dancing queen. I know. I can't, like, that shit's unbelievable. I wonder what became of that. Cause she got that happened to her at TwitchCon? That happened to her at TwitchCon. I feel like you should be set for life after that. But it's, I don't even know. She's just, like, her life is altered forever. Yeah, I hope she sued and won, but she never, I don't think she ever talked about it. She doesn't want to talk about it. I feel bad bringing it up. I don't like to, you know, she doesn't want to talk about it. What did you bring me? Thank you. On the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance. You can something. Having the time of your life. Ooh. What do you want from me? Yep. I legit knew about her as a streamer before anything else. Wish I could say the same. She's really cool and so much smarter than people give her credit. Yeah, I know. She's amazing. And she's a god at Elden Ring. She literally contributes to the Elden Ring wiki. Like, she's fucked. She's so cool. She got... Man, it sucks because she's so cool and she's so elusive. Like, she's very sweet. And every time I'm like, we should hang out the next time I'm in LA. Please, I love you so much. And she's like, I love you so much. I want to hang out with you too. And then I can never track her down, man. She's so elusive. She's like a unicorn. I've been subbed since she heard her back. I couldn't help but want to stay supportive. Yeah. Yep. I'm elusive? Hell no, dude. I don't think I'm elusive. For the most part, if any of my friends ask to hang out or whatever, I'm pretty available, I would say. I think. Did someone tell you I'm not available? Who's saying I'm elusive? Who is it? Just kidding. Dude, this place sucks. Yeah, granted, Morg will never ask them first. Nah, dude. I do work all the time. I'm telling you, look, check this out. I'm about to get my ass super handed to me. Just you wait. Just you watch. There's a guy that spawns over here. Oh my god! And, oh shit, he uses, what's that called? The thing that makes you insane. What is that? Magic shit. These guys piss me off. You piss me off so bad. Oh, thank you. Get fucked. Okay. Merchant has frenzy. Oh, the madness. Yeah, dude. Oh no. It's, oh shit. Alright, alright. Oh my god! This is not fair! This is not fair! Oh my god. He's throwing shit. Stop throwing shit! Not bloodless! God damn it. Welcome to Elden Ring. Dude! The little goobers in this game are harder than the bosses. I will maintain this. I feel like I've lost... I've died more to the little goobers in this game than I've died to the bosses. If we omit Mog and the Elden Beast, because holy fuck. Wait, where the hell am I? Hello? Oh shit. No! What the hell is this? You... Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no! Wait, there's both of them up there. Are they fighting each other? The merchant, the merchant! You fucking bitch! You are such a cocksucker! Stop throwing shit at me! God damn it, I hate you so much. I hate you so much, I hate you so much. Please die, please die, please die. Please die! No! Random mob stronger than the last 4 bosses you defeated. You didn't die. Yes, I did! No, I didn't. Blue, I died. Blue, no, I died. You're wrong. I watched it. Gaslighting me! You're gaslighting me! Okay, where the hell was the stake of Marika last time? I feel like I did not have this option last time. This isn't a skill issue. This guy's a fuck. This guy is a sick fuck. Bastard. I hate you. Yes, please die. Okay. He's in there. He's in there, bro. He's in there and I'm scared. This guy wrecked my ass! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Stop using that shit! I'm going crazy! Oh my god! I'm going crazy! Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Oh shit. Malekith might be easier, bro. Malekith might be easier. Wait, what the hell? I didn't... Wait. Did I bring these? I didn't bring these. Did I bring these over here? What? What do you want? Fella, I'm trying to lock in. Did I bring these? Okay, I just forgot. You brought them for Bella? Stealth. I'm so confused. Kiss her on the forehead. Come here. Come here. She doesn't like when I kiss it. Nico-chan! I just put on lip gloss, so I'm actually not going to be kissing her. Stop bringing me... Look, I really... I appreciate when you bring me trinkets, okay? I really do. But, still, you need to stop. Hug her at least. Okay, fine. She's not gonna like it, though. Give me that. Okay, maybe she did like it. Bella, I'm busy. You brought them over when you're talking about Adriana. Oh, that's right. Okay, thank you. I forgore. This place sucks. This area sucks. I'm hung up on you. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. Okay, I'm just gonna run the fuck away for a sec. And on you. Womp womp. Home. There he is. Velka's girl. I'm scared. Waiting for you. What's he doing? Oh my god! No! Boop, boop. Shit. No, 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 no. Dude, dude! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is impossible! This is impossible! What is magic? What is that? What is that? Is it magic? Is it holy? Is it its own fucking thing? I don't use magic. Is he using magic? Should I keep my Pearl Drake or should I swap to my Spell Drake talisman? What the fuck is... What is that? Yeah, I know it's madness, but what is it? Is it magic damage? What the fuck kind of damage is this? Is it holy? Is it fire? What? Is it Sparta? Fire of... it's not... It's definitely not fire, right? God damn. Oh. There's no way it's fire. What the fuck kind of damage is it? Just wait until you get to Deathblight? Dog, I've been got to Deathblight. This is my second playthrough. The first time I played it was too easy, so now I'm doing a challenge run. We got to Blight earlier. I'm just going through and like defeating all the bosses. Thanks for the Gigantify emote. Same Morning Star. And my Morning Star is fully upgraded. Frenzied Flame? Fire damage. Yeah, Malekith is technically next. Okay. Let's see. I might just give up. I want to kill this goddamn merchant. I really do. But I just don't think it's gonna happen. You fucking bitch. You fucking bag of... I just don't know if this is gonna happen. He's too... insane. He's making me insane! Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm out of here. I'm not doing this. I give up. I give up. No. I give up. You know who else I didn't beat? Fucking, what's his name? The dragon. I never beat the dragon here. When I go to the other direction, the big dragon boy, he kept... He's just an asshole. Flaccidux. Flaccid sucks dragon. What does Malekith do? I'm just gonna do the Pearl Drake. Giant Malekith. Plassy. Flaccidsaurus. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Why are you all up in my grill, bitch? Do 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 do. What the? Yo, that's not fair. I hit him. I hit him, but I did no damage. How does that work? That's interesting. I hit him, but I did no damage. How does that work? So that's like some kind of spell he's cast. Oh, you motherfucker. Stop spinning and let me hit you, you fucking... Stop throwing things. This is not fair. Stop throwing things. He's tanky. He sucks ass. He sucks the most amount of ass. Come on, just let me get you. Dude, I hate him so much. I hate him so much. I got him last time. Last time I played him, I got him. He's just throwing a tantrum. Exactly. You suck the most amount of ass I've ever seen in my life, dude. It's crazy. Oh my god. I can't roll into that one. Okay? Stop throwing things. Stop throwing things. Just throwing a tantrum. Block him. Stop throwing things. That's it. I'm out of here. You're a God, I could say so many gamer words right now at you, Malekith. Yep. Can you please just let me get you? You just keep spinning and shit. Stop. 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 Don't be a what, Blue? It's hidden for me. What did you say? It's literally, you said don't be blank, Morg. I'm definitely gonna die, but let's see. Just keep fucking at. God, you suck a million cocks. Oh. Okay. I didn't dodge that because I ran into the pillar. Don't be my younger self. Oh, yeah. Yeah, seriously. Like, bro, calm down. He's just spamming. Thanks for the remove cat ears. He's just spamming. Good practice run, thanks. You never jump attack spam? That's a solid cheese strat. I am tired. What? What about the booty slam? I want it now. What about clam slam? Does that work? Is it this one? Thanks for the Gigantify emote, Hicks. Clam slam? Jump attack isn't great. Yeah, I know it's not. Not golden slam. What? Oh, this one? Heavy Morning Star? He has stupid high holy resist. Oh. So just the regular one. I don't know. Clam Slam is never a good option. Dude, jump attacks are not the strat, man. I could attempt. It's too slow. That's what I'm thinking. He'll just swat my ass right out of the air. Also, I'll definitely run out of blue. Oh my god. Maybe I'll try regular jump attacks. He's too fast. It won't work because he's too fast. I want it now. Taint restraint, bro. Bro. Jump heavy attack. What the hell? Oh wait, I have a death count for Malekith. How many were we at? 9. Now we're at 10. This is bullshit. Does Talisman for jump attack damage boost? I already have all the damage boosts and they don't do shit for me! Real count? Yeah, it's 110. It's not 50. I just left and came back a million times. He's so annoying. I just don't... I'm tired of the fight. Can I please? Aw, thanks, dude. You like my hair? Call me wrong. He's already throwing shit. Like, oh my god, you're literally so annoying. How's it feel to be the most annoying fucker in this whole fucking game? Know what I want and I want it now. You fucking bitch. You are such a bitch. You are such a bitch. Stop throwing shit at me. Stop. I hate you. What? Nah, dude, that's bullshit. I ran out of that hitbox. That's bullshit. I so ran out of that hitbox. Nah, dude. Ain't no way. You're a bitch. You're a fucking bitch. I hate him, bro. I hate him so much. How the hell did I beat him last time? The hitbox on the rocks are weird. The hitbox on the rocks are fucked. They're fucking cheating. They're cheating. How the hell did I beat him last time? Your mimic beat him last time? Yeah, 100%. My mimic beat him last time. I know what I want and I want it now. You like my gamer grip? Thanks. Have fun, Elden Ring. I pressed Y! It's almost like I press a button and I expect something to happen. You're a fucking bitch. You suck cock. Fuck you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. That's not fair. That's not fair. Down, 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 down. Down. He cheated. What the hell was that? Cocktail bar. Pressing a button and expecting something that sounds so illogical. I know, dude. I have no logic. There's no logic. At least I beat this stupid prick up here. Huh? Don't you want me?